Now hey guys, now today we'll be looking at how to use the Ichimoku indicator. Okay, so go to trends, click on indicators, go to trends, and you will see the Ichimoku indicator. Now this is a very good indicator. I used to use this indicator when I was just starting out in Forex. It's a very good indicator to start trading Forex with. Now this is how you use this indicator. Whenever the red line crosses the blue line from below, that's a buy signal. Okay, that's a buy signal. And whenever the blue line is crossing the red line from below, just in this example, that's a sell signal. Okay, so this indicator gives both buy signals and sell signals. Also, another sell signal is whenever this green line here crosses the candles from above, that's a sell signal. Also, whenever this green line here crosses the candles from below, that's a buy signal. Okay, so you can use Ichimoku as a tool to give you buy and sell signals, or you can combine the Ichimoku with other indicators. For example, the stochastic. Here we have the stochastic indicator here, and you can also use the stochastic to give you buy and sell signals. For example, you can buy when the stochastic is oversold, that is when the stochastic is below 20, and you can sell when the stochastic is overbought. Okay, that's one strategy. However, you must be careful because sometimes the stochastic can be overbought and still rallies. Okay, so you have to be careful. You must combine these indicators together to get the best result. Also, you can combine these indicators with candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, etc., trend lines. Okay, you can combine all the strategies together to give you the best result. Okay, so this is the Ichimoku indicator. Also, with the Ichimoku, we have what's called the cloud. This thing here is the cloud of the Ichimoku, and this just represents support and resistance levels. Whenever prices break above the cloud, that's a buy signal, and whenever prices break below the cloud, that's a sell signal. So the cloud also gives you buy and sell signal. The bigger the cloud, the stronger the trend. Okay, the bigger the cloud, the stronger the trend. So when you have a very big cloud, that's telling you the market is in a very strong trend. Now, whenever prices break through a very big cloud, just as in this example here, that usually means the market is going to really fall. It means the market may start a new trend. So whenever the cloud is big, it tells you that the trend is strong. And whenever prices breaks a big cloud, that usually means a new trend is going to start. Okay, so the Ichimoku is a very useful indicator. You can start trading Forex with this indicator. The only problem I have with the Ichimoku indicator is that it's very noisy. It clouds your chart. This big indicator with all these lines tend to cloud your chart. So what you can do is you can customize Ichimoku. You can go on properties. You can remove some of these lines if you choose, or you can just put the Ichimoku on some of your charts, because I don't really like the noise on my chart. I don't really like all these lines on my chart. So that's the main reason I no longer use Ichimoku. But starting out in Forex, you can really benefit from using the Ichimoku indicator. So you can combine the Ichimoku with the stochastic, which means whenever the stochastic is oversold and whenever we have the red line crossing the blue line, that's a buy signal, and the stochastic oversold is also a buy signal. Whenever you have those two things combining, that's a good time to place a buy order. Okay, so that's how you can use the Ichimoku to help you with trading.